Okay, in today's video, we're going to talk about another kit collection that came in. Now, the funny thing about this collection, it's a fairly large one, and we're going to do it in parts. We got something like 8 boxes just before we moved the store, and then we got another 10 either during the move or right after, in about that time. So all this time we've had it in our storage unit and haven't been able to deal with it. So today I've started bringing out some of it. I've got 4 or 5 boxes today, and we're going to blind unbox it, meaning I haven't seen what's in here. You're going to see it when we see it. So we present this to you in the knowing that it's going to go out on the shelf on our eBay store or wherever. But because you're watching this video, you kind of have first crack at it. If you see anything in the video that you're interested in, if you can, give us the timestamp of it. If not, just give us the company and the description of that, and we can reserve it for you. Or you can email us at hobson@rogers.com, HOBCEN@rogers.com, and inquire about anything you saw in the video, and we'll do our best to help you out. This way, you get first look at it when we look at it, and you get the first crack at it. So let's start box number 1. Very interesting. So if you're a fan of old kits, there's the old monogram 72nd scale P51 Mustang. Venerable old kit. From RS models, a JU86R. I'm familiar with the JU86 somewhat, but that's got an interesting looking nose on it. From Sword Models, a Northrop Flying Wing. Now, this gentleman was a customer of ours and quite a model enthusiast for a lot of years, so he's got a lot of different stuff. He's got 72nd, he's got 48, and I can even see some armor starting to peek through. So, Bren Gun, Hawker Typhoon at 172nd scale. That's it. Tamiya, P47 Thunderbolt. Spitfire, Mark 12 in 48 scale. 172nd scale World War II bomber resupply set. Kind of a neat accessory or dioramic feature. Here's a Tacom Skoda Turtle. Don't you love boxes like this? It's all white. What is it? It's on the end. Overtrees from Edward for the Spitfire Mark 9E. I've never brought these into my store myself. The gentleman might have bought them directly from Edward. Great Wall Hobbies TVD Devastator 48 scale. Airfix 48 scale Hawker Sea Fury. So judging by what I'm seeing in this box, this is a lot of more current stuff that he bought. The Otsu KI-102, 72nd from Sword. Nakajima Night Fighter Mirt, 48 scale from Hasegawa. The venerable Revel JU88, 72nd scale. Got a special hobby, Reggiani RE2000. That would be a 172nd scale. We have a Huma model, ME309, and that would be in 172nd scale. And finally in this box, we have a 172nd scale Kate from Airfix. That's the end of box 1. Moving right along to box 2. This is a mixed bag. I see some old and I see some, not so old. Italeri 72nd scale SM79. Hobby Boss FM2 Wildcat. That would be, of course, in 148 scale. Fujimi 72nd scale Merit. Academy 72nd scale Helldiver. Airfix Douglas A4 Skyhawk 72nd scale. There you go. Mint sealed Maine T90 35th scale. Here's an oldie but a goodie, a Fiat CR32 under the Supermodel tag. I'm sure this kit has been released under the Italeri tag, but this is getting close to original there. A sealed KI-46 Dyna from LS Models, 72nd scale. Lockheed Warning Star. That would be in, I believe it's 1/144 scale. Yeah, 1/140 scale. You had to really look for that one. De Havilland Hornet from Special Hobby, 1/72 scale. OV10 Mohawk, 48 scale from Rodin. 72nd scale English Electric Canberra from Airfix. Haha. Good old Hobbycraft kit, 48 scale Panther with Korean markings. And to go with that one, why not have a trumpeter? F9 F2 Panther in 48 scale. And the last thing in this box would be a trumpeter, 48 scale F100 Super Saver. Okay. Coming along to box number 3. Okay. Aviation USK, a VL Mirsky Finnish fighter, 72nd scale. Under Huma model, a DFS 228, looks like some kind of crazy experimental rocket or jet. 72nd scale Azure Breda. Sword and F3H2 Demon, 72nd scale. Those colorful jets from the 50s, 60s era. 48 scale Ferry Barracuda high-tech version from Special Hobby. Classic, the Focke 198 from Tamiya. Sealed, accurate miniatures, SB2U-1 Vindicator, 48 scale. Also from Accurate Miniatures, an SBD3 Dauntless, 48 scale. How about a McLaren MA8 and 1/24th, there's a 25th scale from these guys. 24 scale from Accurate Miniatures. Still considered a really good kit to this day. A MiG-15 Bis, 72nd from Edward. Back in the day, people probably would have killed for a model of a flying pancake. Here's one at 48 scale, in Special Hobby. Here's a Legion Condor, 2nd from Edward in 48 scale. This one might be getting a little somewhat collectible or hard to find. Sealed kit, X-15 experimental aircraft. Also sealed, a Sword P-80 Shooting Star, 72nd scale. A sealed kit, Italeri Sterling Mark 1. 4-engine bombers from Britain in World War II. And now to the bottom of this one here. This is a Fujimi Type 99 Aichi Type 99 L2 Val, 72nd scale. And the last kit in this box is your RS Models KI-60 Japanese Army Heavy Fighter. Did I say it was a 172? It's 172. Okay, we're coming up to the last box for this installment. We'll process these kits, get them up for sale and whatnot, and then we'll come back with another video for the next 4 or 5 or 6 boxes as we can handle putting them out. Right away, beautiful seal kit, Dragon 88 Flak, 35th scale. Human model, 72nd scale ME 209 V5. There's a sealed old kit, Spitfire Mark 22 from Tesser's Hawk. Modelsvit. Now I don't know my acrylic or Russian. CY7B, I guess that is. Oh, on the side we got the English. An SU7B, 172nd scale. From our friends at Meng, 48 scale P51D. From Airfix, we have the Heinkel 111 P2 and 72nd scale. Eiji Ryusei, I destroyed that, Shooting Star, 72nd scale from Fujimi. 35th scale, Tamiya, German Flak Panzer Wirbelwind. From Hobby Boss, 48 scale, F3H-2 Demon Carrier Fighter. In 144 scale, 2 kits in one, MiG-21 SMT. Tamiya, Douglas Sky Raider. Another sealed kit, the Tasca Sherman Firefly VC. Tasca kits, which became Asuka kits, are still considered some of the best Shermans on the market. Edward, 48 scale MiG-21 SMT. Trumpeter, 72nd scale Su-15. And also from Trumpeter, Soviet Su-9 Fishpot. And also amongst these boxes, we got the Zukimura HO229. That's a combo set. You get one kit at 72nd scale and then another one in 144 scale. It's kind of a neat little packing. We have the Tamiya 72nd scale Zero. We have the venerable old Rebel F-89D Scorpion. This would be the 72nd scale version. And we found a number of bag kits. Condor German missile set. Huma model. It's that little Focke-Wulf Trib Flegel, 72nd scale. You know, that little thing that spins around with the rockets on the ends of the wings. We have an Henschel HS-132. Looks like it was an expansion on the 162 model. That's a 72nd scale injection molded. A Bucher BU-181 monoplane trainer, I believe, from Huma Models in the bag, injection molded. And finally, a Messerschmitt 262 Airfix bag kit. This thing's probably close to being as old as I am. I bet you that kit's still available somewhere in a box. So that's it for our first installment. As I say, we are going to process these, get them out for sale, and then we'll be back in a few days or a week with another installment with another 4, 5, or 6 boxes that we'd like to share with you. As always, thanks for watching. Okay, don't forget, please subscribe, slap that bell, hit that like button, and join Team Hobby Center.